Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, guys! So we're here now at Lime Hotel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, speech.
Mag-i-speech daw po yung birthday girl natin. Ayan, maulan na gabi. Thank you very much for coming to my simple celebration. I love you, husband-in-law.
Good. Kiss, kiss.
Thank you very much for coming, and I'm so happy to see all of you here. As you know, this is just an intimate dinner, but you guys really, put an effort to be here with me to celebrate my 34th birthday. I rarely celebrate birthday. You know that. You know that I don't invite. Hindi ako nag-invite, hindi ako kahit na. First time ko nag-celebrate ng birthday, only because my husband is here.
Yes. Yes.
Ayun. So, thank you very much. Yun lang, kainan na ready na po bang food? Thank you very much sa aking, beshi dito sa Lime. So, kung meron kayong gustong i-book nyo na yan kay Raynor. Beshi ko to, beshi ko to.
Ibok na daw ni Mark.
Ayan, Cha, ate ko, si Cha. Thank you very much, Kuya, sa Team Rabano,
Yes,
sa
Team Rabano.
Team Beshi, Team Core Group, Team Friendship. Ayan. Thank you very much. Siyempre, sa nag-prepare din ito si Jessa. Thank you. Ayan, bongga-bongga.